Hello and welcome. In this video I'm going to explain how to come up with YouTube title ideas and content ideas using what is known as PLR. So there are different ways of coming up with content ideas like keywords and other things, but in this video I'm going to be explaining specifically with the PLR method, and I'll give you examples of what I've actually done with it and what I'm actually doing with it, and so that you understand the logic behind it. So the first thing before we go any further, let us look at what is PLR. If you're hearing the word PLR for the first time, you may need to know the definition. So I took this from Wikipedia. In the internet marketing, private label rights is a license where the author sells most of his intellectual property rights to their work. The license is defined by the author to work and it has no legal definition. Private label rights is derived from private labeling. So basically, this is whereby someone creates something and then they say you can use it and manipulate it anyhow you want. So basically, that is the PLR. So I just came across something that is really valuable that I paid for, which I think if you are in the internet marketing space or online presence, anything to do with the internet, you may need to have your hands on. So what I'm talking about is this product, which is called Lifetime Content Bank, and it's actually going for only $9.97, which is less than just $10. So as you can see, what this does is they have got lifetime content bank. These are articles, these are quotes, these are all these other stuff that they have right there. I'm going to show you in a minute what I've actually purchased. So if you scroll down on this page, you're going to see a lot of some testimonies. I'm not going to read all the resource. Is excellent value, small amount of money you pay, it is the best value on the internet I've found to date. Some of the files, blah blah blah. Okay, so I'm not going to read all the other purchases, other people that purchased this product, but I never left a review on the website. But it's actually $9.97. I've added a link in the description below so you can actually get your hands on to this. So let me just show you what I've just purchased. So basically, this is what you get. This is actually my Dropbox account. So I went on to download all this information onto my hard drive, onto my computer, and this is Lifetime Content Bank, content and the other stuff. So what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to come here onto my computer, and this is where you see the stuff that I've actually downloaded. So if you look at the Lifetime Content Bank, if you open it, you're going to see that there are different niches that they have. They have life coaching, they have health and fitness, they have business content, they have make money online, they have relationships, all these kind of niches that they actually have. If you're anything like me, let's look at life coaching. If you open life coaching, there's attraction coaching, creativity. If you open creativity, you're going to see these articles with the different titles. So if you're anything like me, like in my case, I'm in the make money online niche. So I'm going to go to pick number 1. Pick number 3, the affiliate program, affiliate article marketing, auctions, blogging, domains, ebooks. So if I need to write articles, let's say on affiliate marketing, I'm just going to go on where it says affiliate programs, and as you can see that in the affiliate marketing or affiliate program, there is a lot of titles. Okay, so let's say I need to come up with a video content, or I need to come up with an article. I can say this is 3 essential tools for high rolling affiliate marketer, 3 indispensable tools to catapult your affiliate marketer sales, 3 necessary tools. As you can see, these are different topic ideas that you can actually have, 5 must-have tools for affiliate success. So if you're into anything, so you can say 5 must-have tools for best fitness, 5 must-have tools. These are all different content ideas. So what I'm going to do is there is a lot of content ideas. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open one of these and see what it gives you. So basically, this is an article. I was just explaining the title aspect. So let's open this one that says 5 tools, must-have tools. I know the 5 must-have tools. Number 1, you must have a website, you must have a YouTube channel, basically email marketing. So those are some of the tools that you may need to have. So I'm just going to open this on Wattpad, and then you can see 5 must-have affiliate marketing for marketing success. Okay, and this number one, your own website. I've actually explained that, and quality content and incentives. So these are tips that they're just giving you so that you can probably refresh your memory. Number one, you don't have to repeat what has been given here, because one thing that you need to understand is that a lot of people have paid for this. A lot of people have paid for this same content that you are looking at. So some people just copy and paste, and then be careful of plagiarizing. Okay, I hope I got the word right, plagiarizing. So you can just tweak. If it's 5 must-have tools for affiliate marketing success, you can say 6, you can say 4, or you could say 5 tools you must have. So that's how you actually come up with this content. And let me just show you what I've actually done with it. As you can see, this is one of my videos which says 6 reasons you need to market MLM online right now. It's actually one of my channels that speaks about network marketing, specifically network marketing. So I took the idea from there, and then I have like 10 comments, which means that my video is really engaging. And at the same time, I run a forum whereby I do a lot of blogging. As you can see, this is another title that I actually got. How to create an online course in Zimbabwe. I actually had to tweak the title and come up with fresh ideas. And then if I can scroll down here, as you can see, some people have been commenting, I lost your number, want to WhatsApp groups, I want to learn, someone saying great write-up. And so you see, this is something that can help you to catapult your content creation or ideas, and something that you can actually use this information for. Let me just head over to where I actually downloaded stuff. If you have a social media presence like Twitter, Facebook, and those other stuff, so basically let's assume that, let me just pick another niche here. Let me pick another niche, relationship content. Okay, so these are dating, divorce, marriage. Let's say I want to talk about marriage. These are all ideas of what you can write about marriage. 3 things to pay attention at your wedding budget. So instead of creating a video or instead of writing an article, you can use this as a tweet. You can actually ask question, what are the 3 things that people must pay attention to budget their wedding? So you have a question, and then that means you're going to have a lot of engagement on your post. And then 5 tips for solving marital money issues. So what are the tips of solving money issues in marriage? So that's a tweet or a Facebook post that you have there. You have a question mark, and you're going to see a lot of engagement. So this is a lot of content. If you want to refresh your memory, you can just click on this, read what's there, and then you can actually have some ideas. Okay, you can actually have some ideas right there. So again, as a bonus, what I've actually paid for, again, I've actually paid for Quartz Banks. So they give me these images whereby I'm just going to add my website link here. Push harder than yesterday. I'm lost. I'm not lost, I'm exploring, and then I put my web link there. So these are some of the images that I actually got for $9.97. So this is quite a lot, because I also have social media that I need to make posts on. And then what else can I show you? There's also some quotes. There's like 40,000 quotes, but I don't really use quotes that much, but it's what you get when you actually pay the money. And then there's email turbo, and some email scripts that are there. And then there is some content banks and some images that are pre-done for like the whole entire year that you can be posting on your social media. And you see this month 1 up to month 12, and there is also this ebook that they have. It's actually really good when I went through it. So if you're going to use the images, probably you may need a scheduling tool like Hootsuite or any alternative. I'm going to add a link in the description below of some alternatives that you can actually use for probably a one-time cost. So yeah, basically that's it from. If you have been one of my followers, if you're going to see a lot of great content that I'm putting out on the internet right there, it's the result of this thing that I've actually shown you that's going for $9.97. If you loved this video, please make sure you share it, you like it. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the comment section below. And please, if you are not one of my subscribers, please consider subscribing to this YouTube channel. With that being said, thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.